Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 is stuck on putting your PlayStation 5 into rest mode. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I'm trying to place my PlayStation 5 into rest mode, and this screen simply will not go away. Now, you can go ahead and turn off your PlayStation 5 manually by holding down the power button right here, because apparently that screen says you should not unplug it from the wall outlet. So let's hold this down, and you will hear one beep, and about 3 seconds later you will hear another beep, and your PlayStation 5 will now go ahead and just manually turn off. From here, you can go ahead and just simply try turning on your PlayStation and see if this works from here on out. But if this problem persists and continues, you want to launch into the safe mode menu. Now, with our light completely turned off right here on the light bar, to launch into safe mode, hold down the power button once again. You'll hear that one beep again, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, you will hear another beep. Go ahead and let go then, and then locate a USB cable and plug in our controller. So let's plug the controller into the front of the console, and then press the PlayStation button, and then we should be able to operate the safe mode menu now. Now in the safe mode menu, there's a various different amount of things that we can try. But I suggest going to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. And then going on down to option number 2, rebuild database first. And it says this may take a few hours, but if you are having issues with copying or installing, or even this issue when you're trying to fix your frozen PlayStation, this should go ahead and fix that issue. Now, it will only take a few minutes, not a few hours, so kind of ignore what it says there. But it'll restart your PlayStation a few times and then give you an estimated amount of time. Once it goes ahead and completes, everything should work as normal. Now, if that does work, you can try going to option number 1 here, clear system software cache. And also, we can go up to option 3 right here, update system software, and go to update using the internet. And this will apply a fresh copy of the PlayStation operating system. So hopefully one of these tips did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.